And hit the fence. All right, we got a lot of them getting posted up there.
Oh, that might have done his wheel in right there.
All right, looks like if the big dog can find a gear, he might find himself a trophy and a check. The big dog's moving.
Oh, run your boys back.
All
Come
right,
on, first gear, Bo.
27 coming back in. Okay, folks, we got about 4 of them still running here. This is the mini main.
Today. He's not gonna win today.
That AOK's still running strong. It's been leaking for 5 minutes.
All right. Looks like we got some tag team work going on with the 51 and the 13 over here. Number 28, please pull your flag. You've been taken out, bud. Sorry about that. Big dog ain't barking anymore. Headed to the pound. 51's out. 51's out. Judges are posting them. Judges are posting them. Go ahead and shut her down there, 51. '27's making a big run around. Looks like we could have some damage done in the middle of the arena. Little bit of cat and mouse going on here. Not sure which one's the cat, which one's the mouse. That one's moving pretty good with only 3 tires and 1 wheel on the dirt. Keep your foot on the floor, man. Keep her running.
29's fighting hard.
Coming back around, looking for something to hit. Bend something up. Man, this is like lunchtime at Carbon High School right here. A-OK was A-OK on that hit. Oh, and look at that one still going.
That's got to be a Dodge
I'm
Neon
telling
right
you
there.
what, I'm not sure what type of car that is, but they probably shouldn't have put it in demolition derby. That thing still be running in 20 years. Oh, that one looks like it took out the radiator.
27.
27. Postage at 27. '27, you've been posted, bud.
27.
27, they've posted you. All right, that's probably the end of it. Looks like 27's been posted. Nothing else seems to be running. We're looking for official word on red flag for the heat. How about a big hand for those folks?